here, and we start out with the bass right here in the beginning in the intro. And I'm using a couple different presets here from Synth Control's Synth Pop Serum preset pack. Big shout out to Synth Control for giving these to me for free to try out. He has so many awesome Serum presets for all kinds of electronic and retro electronic music. I highly recommend you check those out. I'll just show you like some samples here. They sound really awesome. So right now I'm using bass Madonna here from the Synth Pop pack. But right here, we can see all different kinds of basses in here. We can try a couple of these out. And I'm opening the filter here. I'm also using Pilot. Pretty cool. So I don't know if this is a bass that's based on songs by Madonna, but it sounds really good. So we'll have that in here, and then I'm also layering it with bass Pilot. So hear that on its own. It's kind of higher and pluckier, and then the Madonna is a little deeper, so then together. Just create some more interesting, more texture to the bass with that layer going on there. And then it's just following the root note of the chords here. So pretty simple. Pretty cool. And then again, we already talked about the bass in the pre-chorus. Then we get to the chorus, and I wanted to make more of a bouncy, fun, upbeat type of chorus here. The song is called Candy Cassettes, so it seemed like I wanted it to be kind of sugary, sweet pop kind of song with an 80s feel to it. This is a weird song. I'll just say that much. And so I'm using this like kind of a slap sounding digital bass here using OBXD. This was free at one point in time. I've been told this is no longer free, but I'm using this preset here. It sounds pretty awesome. Kind of bouncing around there. And I'm layering it with Supersonic, which is from Synth Control's Synth Pop preset pack. Pretty cool. And I'm using basically some form of magma tubes by Waves on everything on this song, just to add some nice warm tube saturation. Oh, we have the bridge here. It's a little different. Yeah, that's really different, isn't it? I'm using like this hip hop style of drum here from UJam, their Beatmaker Glory here. Beatmaker Glory. They have like modern hip hop style drums in here. So if I unmute these. And as you can hear, I've got some bit crushing across all of these. So what I'm doing here is I'm routing my drums and my bass to this rhythm bus here. And on that, I have some bit crushing automating. So starting at downsampled 24 times, and it's going slowly reducing the downsampling. And then I also have some drive here that's starting at 4 dB and then going down to 0. So it's kind of cool. I'll go ahead and put the rest of the instruments in just so you can get the full context. And of course, then the bass goes to 16th notes here, playing the chords here, so it's really fast paced. I just like that add that bit crushing effect in there, so it doesn't sound so hip-hop-ish. It still sounds digital retro-ish. So that's what I did there. The song isn't really mixed yet, but yeah, so I don't really have anything on these tracks besides from a little bit of saturation. I don't have, I got a little bit of stuff on the drum bus here. So I've got a little bit of compression. And then I've got a little bit of EQ as well. Just adds a little bit more, some edge here, and then also boosting those lows. Real quick, be sure to download my free Synthwave sample pack in the description. Not only does this contain over 100 80s drum and effects samples, but it also includes my Synthwave sound design cookbook, which includes step-by-step recipes for creating your own Synthwave sounds, and it includes my Synthwave mixing cheat sheet, which breaks down specific mixing techniques you can use to get that retro Synthwave sound every single time. Again, this is all free in the description below, or you can go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/starter pack. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button like you're Marty McFly trying to get back to the future. And if you want more help creating Synthwave music, be sure to click the video playing on the screen right now, as that is my full in-depth tutorial on creating a Synthwave song from start to finish. With that, have an awesome day and keep creating.